Ichara, so welcome the benters all over the globe, Botswana, Germany, South Africa, and all people who are seeing this right now. I'm saying Dumelang, Libito Lakake Mohau, your host of Speed Bry Benter. If you ask me today, what is it that I have learned from the case that I did not know from, in Kitsibang, and when I'm saying the case, I'm referring to the Senzo Meyiwa trial case where our captain, our former captain, our late captain was violently killed, apparently or allegedly under the auspices of the things of making videos in the middle of all I put in communal spaces. So what I was trying to say is what I have learned today from this trial was number one, which I did not know yesterday or last year about the trial, was I did not know that the DNA that was found on the head was actually one of a female. That's number one. I did not know that. And immediately when that was exposed in court, I saw the man in red robe standing up. Everybody just bafufulelo. I'm like, okay, now where are we going? Re are left kapa re are right? Kapa ntse re tswela pele ka banna bao ba dutseng mono ba bahlano mono kapa what has happened? That's one thing that I've learned today. Number two, what I have learned today from the case that I did not know in a different place. First of all, I would like to ask all of you guys to like, subscribe, to show love. And I've seen that people are watching even the first video that I've just said today. I didn't say much. I was just saying, putting out my thoughts about it. But here, I'm just putting out exactly, it just came in. As a content creator, you're watching your video and you're like, I should have said that there. I should have maybe thought, and take time and say this there. So yeah. So the second thing that I've learned that I did not know about the case here, Senzo Meyiwa trial today, is this gentleman Tumelo Madlala's statements about him being unable to walk because he was on crutches, but at the very same time him chasing after the supposed people, after the supposed intruders. That surprised me because as a person who really can walk, I think the best thing that you can do for yourself is to hide, not to chase after people. But what mostly was the third one, it was so interesting that I found out it is actually a theme and a theory of the defense right now to push a narrative that there was no intruder. People who needs to answer and tell us what had happened in the house are the ones that were in the house, and none of them are sitting now on the what you call the accused stand there. None of them are there. They actually are the ones that are saying that we are the witness. People came here, and the fact that none of the people inside, well, for now we know Hore Tumelo Madlala say he did not hear when the intruder came in, and advocate Mshololo came in and said that proves there was no intruder at all. The fight came from within. Wow. Abana ba bua ka motho a shapang spekere. Mosadi ono wa shapa spekere ka nnete. Ai khona. You're nowhere. And okay, that was the third thing. And then the fourth thing that I've learned today, we might not know how much that money was, or maybe when I started tuning in, I did not get to hear how much Tumelo Madlala got. But damn it, from that topic alone, I can net seats and that. When I episode there, I blew it to Hona Moka Harayon. When I episode ya The Bold and Beautiful mo sa tsebeng hore mang a ratana le mang o tsebile hore mang o sa ratana le mang and mang na sa rate and mang o di ma sa rate jwa yeah. So if I counted four, those were four important or crazy things that I had on the trial today. Brilliant performance by advocate Mshololo. Like I said on my previous video, I never loved this woman. Hey, appealing. I think nangfa this attitude ya bo batho ba o la ba encounter ba bo sister ba ileng hore they think they know best. But hey, no, she does know best. Yeah. She does know best. So yeah, big up to Advocate Mshololo, big up to the judge, and I love how the judge smiles broadly every time when it's Mshololo speaking. Yeah, we are quite at that how the Titi Toban. Titi Toban, I loved your performance as well yesterday, helping opening up the case and seeing how you also collected yourself during the trial. And in which no, you are within and focused, and you don't lose the focus exactly the way Defo did. Something like we don't want, we don't want that type of vibes. So man, really appreciate that. I enjoyed everybody. I enjoyed the prosecutor as well. Eh, tatwela ka sekgowa sa hae se seholo sele. Yeah, o re ska re batho ba under the influence ba nwele di-can tse 4. Can tse 4 tsa eng? Ebile nna ke na mosebetsi ke can tse 4 tsa eng? Nna can tse 4 tsa jwala bofeng kapa bofeng ke a tawa. Wa utlwisisa? Ee. Can tse feng le tse feng tse 4 e ntate se ka tlo bapala. Ka can e le nngwe fela ke a utlwa hore no sentse ke kena ka hara taxi. Ya bobedi can ha sentse ke e qeta ke sentse ke matha toilet mane o tlo hlake hore ka nnete no. Sebete se a sebetsa jwale. Ka ya boraro can ke se ke nana ho founela di-ex. Ka ya bone ke se ke lla ke bina moya wa me. So ke mang ya tao nna ha ke tsebe. Tumelo ke bothata ba o tlisa bakgotsi ba senang dintho ha o tlo newa. Ka can ya before ha so tawe o ya e bona hape budget ya senyeha jwale. But I mean, I appreciate it. Ke yona review ke na le yona things that I have learned today ka the Senzo Meyiwa trial on the 16th of November 2022. It was amazing. I enjoyed it. Love seeing black people, black talent out there on display, and just being out there. So it was just amazing. So yeah, this is actually a thorough review and things that I've learned about the Senzo Meyiwa trial. I think I needed to share something that was more deeper than what I've just shared before. Thank you. I call it a banter. Kasi sutore ke banter and that. Ke banter morena. So thank you so much. That was what I have learned today on the Senzo Meyiwa trial.